You've probably invested a ton of capital into AI by now. So why exactly isn't it transforming your bottom line yet? Welcome to The Explainer. Today, we are diving into the absolute missing link between all that AI hype and actual tangible business growth. Look, if you're a business leader pouring resources into machine learning, you already know the stakes are sky high. But there's a disconnect keeping you from seeing those massive returns.
We really need to address the elephant in the room here. Building a highly sophisticated AI model, that's great, but operationalizing it, well, that is where the real challenge lies. You've got these incredibly talented data scientists building mind-blowing predictive models, but way too often, those models just end up sitting on a laptop. They get stuck in the lab, essentially collecting digital dust, and never make it into the real world to actually cut costs or generate revenue.
So here is our roadmap for today. We'll quickly hit on the AI value gap, define MLOps, compare it to DevOps, talk about scaling for growth, lay out the data foundation, and finally build out your adoption roadmap.
To do this, we're pulling some really powerful insights straight from a strategic executive report by Virtualization Options LLC. They're a highly respected advisory firm out of Colorado, and they've basically cracked the code on how leadership can flip AI from a massive cost center into a true competitive advantage.
All right, let's jump straight into Section 1, the AI value gap, your missing link to ROI.
So AI and ML are obviously critical drivers of innovation, right? We know that. But as we just mentioned, simply building a complex model is nowhere near enough. What the market is demanding right now is a systematic approach to actually operationalize these things. Because think about it. If your models aren't reliable, if they aren't scalable, and if they aren't delivering consistent, measurable business value, well, they aren't helping your bottom line one bit. That exact gap, the space between a cool science experiment and a rock-solid production asset, is what we call the AI value gap.
Which brings us to Section 2, defining MLOps, the critical bridge.
Okay, so what is it? I want you to think of MLOps, machine learning operations, not as just another software tool you have to buy, but more like a giant factory assembly line. It takes your raw data, your code, and your models, and it integrates them all into one continuous, unified lifecycle. The whole goal is to deploy and maintain these models reliably and efficiently. For you as a leader, this is literally the framework that ensures your data science insights translate into guaranteed business outcomes.
Moving on to Section 3, MLOps versus DevOps, looking beyond static code.
Now you might be thinking, hey, doesn't my IT team already do this with DevOps? Well, sort of, but not quite. DevOps is fantastic for traditional software. It gives us that continuous delivery of static code. But AI? AI is a totally different beast. AI is code plus data. And here's the kicker. When the real world changes, your data changes. DevOps isn't built for that. But MLOps addresses those unique added complexities. It's specifically engineered to handle the unpredictable nature of data and evolving models over time, so your AI doesn't suddenly break when consumer behavior shifts.
Let's get into the good stuff in Section 4, scaling for growth and unlocking new value. Here is where MLOps really drives business growth. Right now, manually deploying models is so resource-intensive and, honestly, incredibly error-prone. By bringing in serious automation across the entire pipeline, I'm talking data ingestion, training, all the way to monitoring, you are going to lower your operational costs practically overnight. But even more importantly, you're significantly reducing manual effort. That means your expensive data scientists can finally stop acting like IT mechanics doing routine maintenance and actually focus on model innovation. This is how you take a successful pilot project and rapidly expand it across the entire organization or into entirely new markets.
That actually lines up perfectly with a really powerful quote from the report. It says MLOps is the engine that drives true business transformation through AI. It is absolutely not just some back-end IT upgrade. It's the engine. It's the heartbeat of your operations that turns isolated experiments into a pervasive, scalable force.
But before you rev that engine, we need to look at Section 5, the data foundation.
Listen, every single successful model starts with high-quality data, period. If your raw data is a mess, your AI is going to be a mess, and that is going to cost you. You absolutely have to collect, clean, transform, and rigorously validate that data. You also need feature engineering to boost the model's predictive power. This is why MLOps puts such a massive emphasis on automated data pipelines and data versioning. It builds a completely trustworthy foundation for every ML effort that follows. Without this non-negotiable foundation, I don't care how good your algorithms are, they will absolutely fail.
All right, let's turn all this into an actionable blueprint in our final section, Section 6, your adoption roadmap. Before you start building this MLOps bridge, you have to do a reality check, a readiness assessment. You need to ask some really hard questions and take an inventory of your existing ML projects. Which ones are actually in production making you money, and which ones are just hopelessly stuck? Evaluate exactly how models are being deployed right now. Go talk to your data science and engineering teams and find out what their absolute biggest bottlenecks are. This is going to expose the technical debt that's holding you back and show you exactly where MLOps will deliver the biggest, fastest impact.
To get there, the report outlines this fantastic, pragmatic, 5-step phased approach. You don't have to do it all at once. First, just implement data versioning to track your changes. Second, set up experiment tracking to log your runs and results. Third, pick a pilot deployment and automate those basic pipelines. Fourth, introduce model monitoring so you can actually track your metrics in the real world. And finally, establish feedback loops so those insights automatically inform the next round of improvements. You do this step by step, proving business value at every single stage.
So, what are your immediate action items as a leader? Well, you've got to conduct that readiness assessment and define that small, impactful pilot project to get an early win. But maybe the most crucial step? Form a cross-functional task force. Get your data scientists, your engineers, and your IT folks in the exact same room actually talking to each other. Invest in training them on these MLOps methodologies and establish crystal-clear communication channels between the tech teams and leadership. Because when you do this, you're not just buying software. You are actively empowering your talent, closing the AI value gap, and driving exponential growth.
I want to leave you with a provocative thought to evaluate your own organization today. Where exactly are manual processes or outdated tools hindering your technical progress and actively stalling your business growth? Because closing this gap with MLOps isn't just an IT decision. It is the strategic move that will completely define your company's future. The time to build your MLOps engine is right now. So, are you ready to scale?